In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube not showing comments on PC and Android and iPhone. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So the first thing, guys, you need to do if you are using your phone, you want to go to YouTube, and after that, you want to click your profile picture at the very in the top right corner. Just click it and then click settings, and then click general. And after that, you want to make sure you turn off restricted mode. As you can see here, restricted mode, just turn it off and the problem is going to be fixed. If you are using your phone, if this doesn't work, I am still going to show you another way. Before I can show you how to do the same step on PC, let me show you exactly what you want to do. You want to go to settings and you want to scroll down a little bit and click general, and then you want to click iPhone storage. And after that, you want to search for YouTube. Okay, just search for YouTube. As you can see here, this is YouTube. What you want to do, guys, you want to click offload app. Okay, click offload and then click offload. Okay, and wait a few seconds and click reinstall. Okay, so after that, the problem is going to be fixed. As you can see here, reinstall, click reinstall, and then the problem is going to be fixed 100%. If you are using PC, let me show you exactly how you can fix this problem. Guys, if you guys want to know how to do this on PC, you want to just search for YouTube on Chrome or whatever you are using. This works on like MacBook or whatever you have. Just sorry, let me show you exactly how you can do this. So what you want to do, guys, you want to click your profile picture in the top. All right, you can see here your profile picture. You want to click it and then scroll down and then click YouTube Studio. Okay, as you can see here, YouTube Studio. And after you click on YouTube Studio, you want to go to settings, and after that you want to click on channel, as you can see here, and after that you want to click on advanced settings, and you want to scroll down and make sure you don't have this like for me it says yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. So if this the problem, you have to select no, set this channel as not made for kids. As you can see here, if you set this channel as made for kids, ads won't be personalized. I'm sorry. Notifications and comments and stories will be disabled. Okay, so you won't be able to comment, or people, they are not going to see the comments on your YouTube channel. So just make sure to select this no, it's not made for kids, as you can see here, and then click save. And I hope this problem is fixed for you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.